grandkids over. Pack the van, piled in with snacks. Little feet tap and lean away back. Down the road to a special space. Branson days in a warm embrace. Together now, our hearts in sync. Time to laugh, splash, and reconnect at the brink. Red Rover, memories unfold. 28 grandkids with stories bold. Hearts wide open, laughter in the air. Branson days without a care. We're loud, we're proud, we're family strong. This is our place where we all belong. Red Rover, Red Rover, Red Rover, Red Rover. Send the grandkids over. Golf cart giggles on shaded trails. Wading in water by the old mill rails. Swan songs float on a gentle breeze. Cousins playing near whispering trees. Splash fights, sunlight in their hair. These are the moments beyond compare. Red Rover, joy on display. From morning light through golden day. Bubbles burst and stories bloom. Love fills every single room. Barefoot races, toes in sand. Magic made by Grandma's hand. Red Rover, Red Rover, Red Rover, Red Rover. Send the grandkids over. Photo day, say cheese and freeze. Little ones wiggle while adults say please. Granny and Gramps with hands held tight, surrounded by love in morning light. One big picture, 48 strong. This is our anthem, this is our song. Red Rover, Red Rover, love in the frame. Each smile a verse in our family name. We grow, we change, but one thing's true. We always come back to me and you. Branson bound, year after year. One big family, loud and clear. Red Rover, Red Rover.